Hello guys, in today's video we are going to be reviewing the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, released in January 24th, 2024, is one of the more powerful yet sleek designed flagships around the market at this time period. With an amazing build of a titanium frame with a Gorilla Glass back and front, with an IP68 water/dust resistance, and also weighing in about 233 grams, with also an anti-glare coating. This also has an inbuilt stylus, as you can see. We can write clearly with a Bluetooth, a gyroscopic and a accelerometer built into this, so you can use it for your work or light drawing, I guess. So that's it for the design, mainly with sharp edges, with an aggressive feel on your hands, with a nice camera bump as well. Next up, let's talk about its display itself. It's a 6.8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2K display with a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, and it has a 120Hz refresh rate with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, and also has cornering Gorilla Glass to protect it with the anti-glare coating. For its software and its general features, it runs on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, with promised up to 7 years of Android support for updates. For performance, you could expect a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset with RAM and storage options of 12GB up to 256 or 512 or 1TB as storage, with minor optimizations by the UI itself. Now let's talk about its camera features and capabilities. On the rear of the phone, we can find a main 200MP camera, a 3x telephoto, a 5x periscope zoom lens with an ultra-wide 12MP, and with all of them being able to record up to 8K 30fps or 4K 120fps with HDR10 Plus and gyro stabilization. And on the front, we can find a 12MP which also can record up to 4K videos. Now let's talk about battery and its charging capability. And charging capabilities. Now let's move on to its audio and connectivity features. For its speakers, it has stereo speakers tuned by AKG, but sadly no 3.5mm jack for any headphones. But it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC and USB-C 3.2 with UWB and DeX support or Samsung DeX support for Windows connectivity. For its security features, it gets a fingerprint sensor, an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor with face recognition and your usual stuff. For its colors, this can come in titanium black, grey, white, blue, green and orange, and also violet. So that's it. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. And see you next time.